Introducing the ingenious new OYO with the amazing security string. OYO protects your phone even if it falls or gets forgotten. Simply attach it like this, or this, and your phone is safer than it's ever been. OYO's beautiful slim design fits right into your pocket, made with high-quality materials, and fits your style. OYO, simply the best way to keep your phone safe and out of trouble. And did we mention, it's also fun. Order yours now.
We made a case. Not just any case, this case. A case for you. For the way you live your day. From the moment your alarm goes off to the moment you set it back at night. For the way you organize your life. And for all the apps you can't live without all at once. For the way you get where you're going. And for the conveniences that get you there safely. We made a case. Because multitasking means multiple screens and more room to let you get the job done. Because these days, work comes with you wherever you go. And play shouldn't be left too far behind. Because you don't need a new phone. You need a new way to use one. We made a case to keep you moving and keep you on track to meet all of your goals. To connect with the world around you and share your memories without giving up your privacy. To help you stay in the moment, even if you're a little offbeat. We made a case that does more than just protect your phone. It expands the boundaries of your day, from one wake-up call to the next.
Now the Crack Light is a tiny but powerful light. It's about the size of a smartphone. It's super thin, and as you can see, it's almost completely bendable. Now Blindspot told me that they've developed this light in collaboration with a Korean company, and my initial impressions are that it's certainly an innovative product. It's super light, it only weighs 19 grams. And actually the light came supplied with some Velcro strips and some small magnets, and so I could attach it to any metal surface, and with the Velcro you can put it underneath things, so underneath a table, a bookshelf. You can literally hide this thing anywhere. Now the unit itself comes with a little control unit which has an on-off switch, and also really important, a dimmer, and this goes all the way from 3 to 100% and is completely stepless. So the light itself has a short USB cable, as you can see, attached to it, and this cable allows you to connect and power the light literally from any USB source. So any sort of power bank, a USB jack on a computer. I was actually using it with the Power Junkie from Blindspot gear quite a bit, and even from your smartphone. So with the use of a USB micro or USB-C or iPhone adapter, and it's powered by your phone. So it really is a flexible device.
Introducing the Bluesphere Smart Supporter. The first smartphone supporting system of its kind that provides everything you need without the hassle. No need for wires, and no need to deal with adjusting your arm to prevent it from falling asleep. It's the next step forward in our hands-free smart lifestyle. Perfect for lazy movie watchers like me. The built-in super-fast wireless charger inside the Bluesphere will keep your battery life happy. With the precision positioning 3-axis mount, the Bluesphere can be positioned and repositioned to any angle you desire. Elevate the smartphone to eye level completely hands-free. With the premium Nano Patch technology, you can adjust your smartphone within 1 second. The Nano Patch will securely adhere to all kinds of smartphone surfaces without the need to stick an adhesive to the back of your phone. With constantly changing wireless charging technology, changing the whole supporting system can be a serious hassle. We don't need you to go through that. With the Bluesphere, you only have to replace the charging plug to the newest version that is introduced to the market every year. The Bluesphere is designed to be flexibly used in 4 different methods you can choose from. Type 1. Table clamp that is suitable for bed frame or table. Type 2. Specially designed clip for bedside table. Type 3. Installation on your wall with screws. Type 4. We offer a stand if you choose to opt out of any of the options above. Feel free to just leave it on the floor.